this unboxing of this microphone live and direct. So Maono, I hope I'm saying it right. Oh, 2 PC setup, yeah. I got I'm thinking about going to a one PC setup. Huh? Uh, so this is Maono wireless microphone, as I see. Wireless main microphone, if I'm saying it right. Alright. So I like the box. I ain't gonna do no sound test on it till I, actually get it. I mean, hook it up. Because I'm not really gonna use it because I'm about to go out in a minute. So when you open the box, they show you a different setup too. Look. All different type of setups, how y'all do it. So it actually can hook up with your laptop, your phone, your PC. Nice. And got some more booklets on how to set it up. Put that on the side. I like how it's packaged. Let me show you how it's all packaged up. Let's see, it's all packaged up nice. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? So this is the receiver. It's a C-type receiver. I don't have to send it back enough shit like that, so I might turn down. Got a little hangage right here with the receiver in here. Yeah, I will be at one PC setup for a bit until I make it. It all depends. Some people don't need no 2 PC or 3 PC setup. It's just me. So this is the C-type. Go right in your PC or your cell phone, because mostly the cell phones is C-type, but you got always phone. This for the PC, you can turn around and swipe it. If you don't got no C-type on your PC, you can do USB. And another C-type USB, basically make it longer. Come in a little package like this, so I'm not actually going to use this right now. What else we got here? Alright, we got some USB cables. We got USB to C-type. And what is this? Oh, that's the, okay, I think that's it. Obviously, this is basically a charger, so. Oh, okay, we got some more stuff in the bottom. So I'm gonna show y'all this. So this is the stand. I'm definitely gonna set it up. This is a stand pole. It's like the stand I got now. Put this back in. The packaging was nice though. Shit, definitely nice. Stay right there. Oh, I will be. Okay, you always see that. So it's just like the stand I got now, right? But a little different. So basically, you screw it on here. Oh. Cut the light on so I can see. Yeah, he get hungry fast. Alright. So this is my mic now. This is the Gallo mic, and this is the other one. It's basically the same length for the stand. It's pretty dope. Man, what the hell? Alright. So I can pick it, move it right like this. Now, what I don't like for it so far, the little square. I mean the the stand thing is kind of getting in my way on my screen, unlike the other one. I can see it, but it's fine because I can turn around. I should be able to figure it. No, I just gotta move it like this. I do go up and go up top more. You trying to be a bastard for them? Yeah, yo, sign up. That's why I tell you need to screen more, dog. So I like how it's set up right to my mouth. So that's cool. That's dope. You see that? Let me see if I can bring it down more. Alright, that's dope right there. You know what I'm saying? Nice, clean. So I can go USB or 100% wireless, or I can use my my cord right here. You can mute the mic up top, mess with your gain. I'm gonna cut it on real quick. Let me see. Is this the power button? That's the power button. You got the RGB going around it. That's dope. Now I got the microphone for my cell phone already, but that's dope. I mean, that's dope right there. I digging it. Only thing is, I don't like how it is with my game, but I think I might bring my monitor up a little bit. But when I'm playing my game, I can just, you know, I just wish it was a little different. Like, not a little different. I can pivot. Like, say I want to pivot this and then turn it. I wish I can do that, but I can't, cause it ain't like that. It ain't like it's a turn. But I may use it like this, or I do have low profile arm. I may use that. I don't know. It all depends how I feel. But let me get some game, man. This is my unboxing. I have a find out mic and mixer. I gotta find out mic. Like, there's an old one though. I gotta hook up to my gaming PC just in case sometimes this won't. It's like this mic should be able to choose. I mean, I'll be able to do both of them. Alright, I'm gonna cut it off. Now they say the mic lasts up to 60 hours though, dog. This is kind of tight. So can I untighten it? That's pretty dope though. That's pretty dope. I know back in the day, and it could go up more. I don't need to do that. It'd be decent if I can have it, the mic in my desk. I could do that. I do have a color. I don't know. I'm gonna put that on the side for now. That's dope. I'm definitely gonna use it, but moving it shakes. You see how it shakes? I just hope the... And then, the other concern I got is this. I can't use it as... I can use it as put it in here. Let me see something right fast, dog. Because you can use any mic with your Elgato software now. So let me see something. My sound stuff might go off. Ah. Alright, can you hear me? Bit tone? Bit tone? Can you hear me, dog? Alright, so now with my Elgato program, I can use any mic I want, but I wonder would it work as wireless though. That's the thing. Alright, let me bring out this way fast. So, do you hear any background noise? Hey, talk. A little bit louder. All right, that's cool. Deuces.